Hi guys, today my cat Grayson, again, will be choosing my skincare routine. So if he smells it, whatever, that means I get to use it. First off, my spray. Do I get to use my spray? Look. Hans. No, I don't get to use my spray. Come on. Okay, I guess I'm not using my spray. Toner, please, I really want to use my toner. Come on, Giboo. Baby, come on, please, I want to use my toner, please. Can I? No. Do I get to use my bubble serum? No. Okay, he just ran away. Well, I guess we'll do this later. That was fun. I guess no skincare routine.